Hello guys, this is Jonathan Stemmer, and in the next episode, tomorrow we will be doing a new video about FreeBSD, and we're gonna be installing it. So this is our goal: is to basically install FreeBSD and have some fun with it. So you guys can go to we can download onto the FreeBSD website, and this is how we're gonna be installing it. And there will be a handbook where we're gonna be following this. Basically, we're gonna follow this whole tutorial, getting started, and we're gonna be like copying some commands there, I guess. But yeah, I'm installing FreeBSD here, and then you guys should be able to install it from here. This is my goal in the next episode, is to have some fun with FreeBSD. But yeah, you guys can come and watch it tomorrow. We can watch it premium, probably will be like live sort of thing, but already pre-recorded, so it'll be pre-live. But yeah, this is my plan for next time, is to basically install FreeBSD, install a desktop environment, and just, have some fun with it, play some games with it, and just test out for different softwares that's pre-installed. And also, what I'll be doing is that I will be having a week in that VM, trying it out for a week, and after that week, I will be showing you guys my experience with FreeBSD. So yeah, tomorrow I will be installing FreeBSD on my system, or maybe not tomorrow, I might be busy, but I will install FreeBSD anytime soon and try it out for a week and show you guys my experience with FreeBSD. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, please like this video, and if you see this on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that way we can see this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Let's carry on being nerds, I guess. Bye.